Okay, we are working on subtracting from 8. You need to put your name on the top of your packet. When you are done, you may start with me. So it says 8 koalas are on a tree. So we're going to write the number 8 right here. 8 koalas are on a tree. 6 of the koalas climb away. So if I make 8 bubbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and I cross out 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1, 2. 2 left. So your subtraction number sentence should be 8 minus 6 equals 2. Go ahead and open it up to see and show. We are working on subtracting from 8 today. So just like it shows up here, 8 minus 4 equals 4. 8 minus 6 equals 2. So I would like you to do this. I'm going to go ahead and write these in for you so you can copy mine. So I'm just going to go through. I'm going to do minus 0. This is 0, sorry. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5, okay? So now you guys go through and tell me the answer. So what's 8 minus 0? 8 minus 1, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 4, and 8 minus 5, okay? Put your answers on the lines right there. So copy my page and then write your answers. You're doing the same thing, so you are working on subtracting from 8. If you need to, go get your counters. Get your counters, get 8 counters out or 7 counters out, depending on how many is the bigger number, and take away from that number, okay? If you need help with this page, just circle the ones you need help with, and then when you come see me, I will help you. But you can do this page. You just need to really think about it. On the back, it says there are 8 giraffes drinking water. 3 giraffes go away. How many giraffes are left? So let's think about that. We'll count backwards. Okay, say 8, 7, 6, 5. So we would have 5 giraffes left. It says there are 6 wolves playing in a field. 2 wolves run away. So 6 minus 2. How many wolves are left? So let's count backwards too. Let's say 6, 5, 4. 4 wolves are left. Go ahead and cross it out at the bottom. Bring it up to me so I can see it. And then you can start on your math homework. I hope you guys don't have any trouble with this part right here. If you do, again, circle any ones you're having trouble with and I will help you.